Hi everyone, I have recently created automation for the YouTubers where they can simply upload their video description and also the caption all automatically using the N8N automation. Let me quickly walk through the automation. Come with me. This automation triggers as soon as the video uploaded on the YouTube channel. It gets that video and after that it transcribes the video and also get the timestamps and update in the Google Sheet, and after that all data, the transcribed data and the timestamps all uploaded to OpenAI completion model where the OpenAI is trained to generate the SEO friendly description, and also it follow all the instructions to generate the description as per the brand requirements. And as soon as all the data is uploaded to OpenAI, it process that and provide the relevant description along with the captions and the timestamps, and then simply upload back into the YouTube channel using the YouTube API. If you are looking to automate your business, or do you want to handle all your leads automatically using chatbots, you can just simply comment below to get started for the consultation. Either it's for AI automation, AI chatbot,